Hello, parents and students. Did you know that learning programming early can prepare your child for the jobs of the future? So today in this video, I'm going to show you one of the real projects your child will build in our AI, in our Python AI and machine learning mentorship program. Okay. We will be building three projects in this program. It's a 3 months program. They will be learning Python, AI, machine learning. Okay. And we'll be building three projects. The first project will center on Python, the second project will center on AI, and the third one will center on machine learning. So by the end of this video, you will see how your child will gain practical coding skills, problem solving ability, and confidence in technology. All right. So this project is, let me show you the first project. Okay. So now this is a smart recording and grading system for schools. Okay. Now this is the code for this project. All right. This is the code for this project. So this project is more than just typing code. It teaches students how to organize information systematically. You can see how everything was written in functions. Look at how everything is organized. Okay, it shows them how to solve real world problems like managing students' data. So I'm also going to show you a demo of how this application works. Okay, the students can actually enter their data and we'll save it, we'll record it, we'll grade their system. It will also apply logic, calculations, and data storage. I'm going to do a demo for you. Now, the most important thing is that they are going to learn responsibility with digital tools. All these skills are essential for the STEM education and future tech careers. Now, if your child actually starts this program, it's actually putting them ahead of others. All right. So in this program, they will be learning Python, AI, and machine learning. Okay. And this program has 100 recorded lessons. All right. Then every week there will be 3 live Zoom classes. There will be 100 recorded classes that they can take on their own daily, 30 minutes. More, it's not up to 30 minutes every day. Then there will be 3 live classes on Zoom, and there are 3 capstone projects to build. The first one will center on Python. That's the one I'm showing you here, the smart record and grading system for schools. Second one will be AI. The third one will be machine learning. And there will be free books. There will be free books. Okay, there will be free books, there will be free software. After this 3 months mentorship program, they will get extra 3 months mentorship for guidance. So after the paid 3 months program, we'll give them extra 3 months, all right, for us to guide them more, extra 3 months, and they will get certificate at the end of it. So now let me show you basically what this program, this first project your child will be building. First, your child learns Python basics. So everything we are doing here is Python basics, variables, loops, and functions. Next, they will set up a digital notebook to store students' data using Python. And this is where they apply logic and coding skills in practical ways. Okay. So now let us take a look at how this program works. So I will open the terminal, create new terminal. So in this terminal, I'm going to just type Python. To run this program, I will say Python main.py. All right. So now this is a command line application. Just like when you go to the ATM, this is exactly what you see. Okay. Now we are given the menu. The menu one says if you type in one, that means you want to add a student. If you type into you want to view students, if you type into you want to search for students. So this is just the program this is the code for this program. That's what you're seeing here. So this is exactly what they are going to be learning Python basics. Then after learning this, they are going to build this capstone project. We are going to also teach them line by line. We'll show them how to build this and they will understand every line of code that we have here. So select option. I will select one. Let me add a student. Once I enter one, I will hit enter. It's asking me for the student ID. Let's assume that the student ID is 6578. It's asking me for the student's name. Let's assume the student's name is John. All right. It's asking me for the student's class. Let's say grade 1. Okay. Now, it's asking me to enter students, the subject, or I should say done to finish. I will enter the subject. The subject, I will enter the first one to be maths. Forget about the shortcut I'm using here. Now, what is the Okay, so now what is the person's score in math? Let's say it's scored 78. Now, let's assume it's also asking us, do you have another subject you want to record? Let's record English. Okay. What is the score for English? It's 98. Do you want to record another subject? Let's say physics. All right, what is the score for physics? I will say 78. Now, it also, I can add as many subjects for this particular student as possible, but I just want to stop it. I will say done. If I say done, the system will now ask me for the person's attendance percentage. Let's assume it's 89. So these are the data, these are the data that it needs to actually grade. It's recording it and it's going to grade the student's performance. So now it says student, once I hit done and then the percentage, it says student John added successfully. Okay. If I go on now, let's assume I want to view the students that we have. If I say select option, I say two, you can see it has brought out the student that we have here. ID is 6578, name is John, class is grade 1, subject and scores, math is 78, English is 98, physics is 78, average score is 84.67. That's the average score. All the three scores, that's the average. Then attendance. Now the grade is A. All right, you can see the grade is A. So it's recording and grading. Now let us add another student. Now I can say one. I want to add another student. The student ID is 6532. The student's name is Ken. All right. The student's class is let's say grade 2. And then the subject, let's say biology. Okay. What is the score? 78. Let's enter another subject name. Let's say what let's say um uh chemistry. Okay, let's say chemistry. Now, what is the score? The score is 90. Let's enter another one. Literature. Okay, what's the score? 89. Okay, so I am done. I don't want to enter another, so I will just enter done. So it's asking me for the attendance percentage. Let me say 90. Now, it says that student can added successfully. Okay, now you can see if I go now to say two is to view all students. If I say two, look at the students that we have. The first one is John, and the second one is Ken, and Ken's grade is A. All right. So now we can also search for students. If I say three, if I enter option three, is to search for students. So let me search with students with John. I can also search with their ID. You can see it gave me the student. I can also search for their ID. Let me look for the ID of Ken 6532. I can also say three. I want to search. I want to search with the ID 6532, and you see it gives me Ken's record. What if I enter an ID that does not exist? What does it tell me? It says student not found. Okay, you can see this is perfect, working perfect, and this is the kind of program your child is going to build. Now, if I want to delete a record, if I say 4, it's going to ask me for the student ID to delete. Now, let me give the student ID. Let me look for Ken's ID. Ken's ID is 6532. Now, I want to delete 6532 record. Once I do this, it says student 6532 deleted successfully. Now, if I go on to view again, I will no longer see Ken because Ken has been deleted from our data. All right. So I can also, if I try now, we also teach your children how to do file handling. If I give the option of 5, save record. All right. If I say 5, and 5 says we are saving the record. So watch what is happening here. I only have one file there, but the moment I hit enter, you can see we have a file that has been created here. And if I open the file, you can see the student record that we have. You can see this is the because I entered two students records and I deleted the Ken's record. That's why you're not seeing it here. So now this has been saved permanently. These are the things your children are going to learn. So if I now say 6, sorry, not there. Okay, if I come back here and say 6, all right, option 6, what happens? Okay, what happens? It says record saved successfully and goodbye. And the program terminates. That's the end of the program. So basically, this is what your child is going to be learning. By completing this single project, your child will understand Python programming fundamentals, understand build, your child will build logic-based applications, handle real-world data, solve problems independently, gain confidence in coding. After teaching them, like I said, there will be 100 recorded classes that will teach them all these things. They will watch that one at their own pace. Then every week, in 3 days every week, there will be a live class for people who have questions that do not understand something. There will be 3 times in a week, and it's going to be Zoom meeting. Okay, and the best part is that this is just one of the 3 capstone projects in the mentorship program. In another video, I will be talking about the second project and also the third one. Okay. In our 3 months mentorship program, your child will receive, let me bring it up again. Your child will receive 100 recorded lessons that is permanent. It is going to be on, they will have access to our platform where they will be learning this, and they will have this access forever. All right, it's going to be, it's like you bought a book and that book is yours forever. Okay, there will be 3 live Zoom classes per week to ask questions and get guidance. There will be 3 capstone projects, including AI and machine learning projects. There will be free books and software. You're not going to buy any software, you get it for free of charge. There will be 3 months post-program mentorship. After these 3 months of learning, we will give your child extra 3 months so your child can continue to grow after the program ends. So within that 3 months, while they are still learning whatever they are doing or building other projects, we can also assist them in building other projects. So this is practical education with real outcome, not just theory. So if you want your child to learn Python, AI, and machine learning while building real projects like the smart school record system that I just showed you now, this is time to enroll. The deadline for this enrollment is February 14th. The class will start on 1st of March. The deadline is February 14th. So we just have like 5 days to go. February 14th. Okay, so sign up today and give your child the gift of future ready tech skills. We will guide them step by step. We will ensure that they complete projects and help them build a strong foundation in coding and AI. So thank you very much for taking out your time to watch this video. Let's help your child start their journey in technology and innovation today. Let's code the future together and one project at a time. Thank you very much. And please, if you are interested in this program, drop your WhatsApp number, all right, on the comment section. Drop your WhatsApp number in the comment section so that I can contact you. Drop your WhatsApp number in the comment section so that I can contact you. Thank you very much. We'll see your child in the class.